Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Brittany and I am so excited for today's video because it is a Boohoo haul. So if you don't know what Boohoo is, it is a UK brand that is super affordable, that has such cute pieces that I can't even handle, you guys. I love this brand, and the fact that it is so affordable, you can have the luxury of changing your wardrobe for every season because it is that cheap. So before we get into the video, if you could do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. It's the first link in the description box. It would help me out a ton and I would be so thankful. So please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of these hauls, and let me know in the comments below. Let's get into the haul. But this is the first dress. It is a batwing type sleeve, which I really love these types of sleeves because I hate my arms. I really need to go to the gym a lot more often and, you know, tone them up. So that's probably why I hate them so much. But I hate my arms, so I pretty much wear sleeves all the time. And this is a cute little black dress that has like lace detailing here at the bottom. It's a batwing sleeve, so it's cool, so you can wear it in the summertime, but it also has sleeves, so you know you're a little bit more covered up. The next piece that I bought is this super cute long sleeve romper, and it's pretty much just a black romper with some like panels in the front of it which look like a dress. Excuse me. It is low cut, but it's not like super low cut where you're hanging out all over the place. The long sleeves are these like cute pillowy type long sleeves. I don't know what they're called, but they're super cute. This unfortunately I'm going to send back, only because if you have a long torso like I do, this was like riding up my bum. So not a huge fan of that, and I felt like it was just a little too short on my legs right now. They're not as toned as I would like them to be. So it's a little too short and it definitely rides up my bum, which is not okay with me. So this is unfortunately going to be a return, but super cute. Absolutely love it. It does fit true to size. Next piece is another romper. This is also in a size 12. This looks so cute on the model, like so cute. And it just does not look cute on me. So it doesn't give me shape. It's like too baggy in some places. It doesn't work. The sleeves are these like adorable like frilly sleeves that are totally in right now, and like it definitely fit, but for long torso people, if you do have a long torso like I do, this one didn't ride up my bum, which was great. But the way that it fit, it didn't do anything for me. So I'm unfortunately going to send this one back too, and I'm so bummed out about it because it was so cute. Next thing is this yellow mustard dress, but again, didn't do anything for me. It was way too big. It didn't cinch my waist. It like made me look bigger than what I am, and God knows I don't want to look bigger than what I really look like. So it's definitely going to be sent back, but it is super cute. It's this like cold shoulder type batwing sleeve detail with, and I just paired this with like a cute little bralette in the video, and it was super cute, but like I said, it just didn't do anything for me. It made me look way bigger than what I am, and it just didn't work. So I'm just gonna send this one back, but I also ordered this in a size 12. So I guess like you know, maybe size down in this one. Maybe it runs big, but just it didn't work for me. So next item is a t-shirt, which is so cute, but these t-shirts run so big. They're like big and boxy, but I made it work. So you'll see in the video of how boxy it is and how like big it is. But what I did is I just tied a little knot in the front and I made it work. So this is the t-shirt. It has these cute like little pearl details, and it's just a basic white tee, but it is super big, oversized, and boxy. So you definitely have to create shape, especially for someone with my body type. You have to draw on your waist. So that's what I did. I just made like a little knot in the front and just tied it, and it ended up working out really well. So definitely gonna keep this one. Super cute. Next, I bought some pair of jeans. I bought these in a size 12. They're super stretchy, and if you have thighs like I do, these are definitely going to be great for you. So highly recommend these. And yeah. Next top is, I am obsessed with this top. It is so freaking cute. Like, I can't even believe it. I'm obsessed. I don't know about you, but I love like the frilly, like long bell trumpet sleeve type look, and this is just like so good. Like, it's so cute, you guys. It's so freaking cute. I never wear red, but I saw this in red. I think they have black as well, but I opted for the red, and polka dots are so in, so I had to have this, and I'm obsessed. So it's this super cute wrap top, and you can't see it here, but there's like a ruffle across the top, and it is these like super awesome like long bell sleeves, which I'll show you in the video. Like, you can't even get it in full frame. It's like that big. They're so extra, but I love it so much. And this just like crosses in the front, and then there's like a wrap that goes once around your waist, and like you just tie a little bow here in the front. And it is so cute with like a pair of jeans. You can throw on some wedges if you want, or cute like little white Keds is how I would also wear this if like I want to dress down. But I wear this out here in Nashville, and I love this top. Like, this is my top, so I love it. Now, the last thing I bought is gonna be for some and not gonna be for all, but like I said, I live here in Nashville, and I am obsessed with Fringe. Like, I love Fringe. I love Fringe jackets, I love Fringe dresses, I love Fringe shoes. I love Fringe everything. I find it a little detail that adds a little something extra to your outfit, and I'm obsessed with it. So anything that has Fringe on it, I probably own it, but when I saw this jacket on Boohoo, I had to have it. Like, literally had to have it. So with that being said, it's a Fringe jacket, but it's so cute, and I cannot wait to show you. So I'm so excited. So this is the jacket. It is like super freaking cute. It has Fringe all the way down the sleeve. It's this light denim wash jacket, and there's some distressed detailing on the jacket, but not a lot. So like the front is totally a classic like jean jacket, and basic, but when you turn around, it's just this like extra like frilly fun detail. And like, I love this jacket so much. I wear it out here in Nashville, and I had a ton of girls coming up to me saying, oh my gosh, where'd you get your jacket? I absolutely love it. Told them about Boohoo. They didn't know what it was, so I definitely, you know, hooked them up with going shopping on Boohoo out here in Nashville. and I love this jacket. It is so extra. It is so freaking cute, and like I cannot get enough of it. Like it is just so cute, and I will get so much use out of this because I love it that much. So that's it for the haul. I love this brand. I definitely love switching up my wardrobe. Like I'm so excited to see what else they come out with, because that jacket is normally like, I don't know, would be like $50 at the store. I think I got it for like 30 bucks. I'll list all the prices down below so you guys can see, but like I said, I love Boohoo. I love this brand. So definitely check out Boohoo. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. I don't have a discount code, but if you search pretty much anyone that's ever shopped with Boohoo, especially UK YouTubers, I'm sure you'll find a discount code. So highly recommend. I hope you guys love this haul as much as I did. I love shopping, so if you guys want to see more hauls from me, please let me know. Give me a like. Let me know in the description box below. I'll go ahead and leave my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Listen!